One of the most common questions we get is what size parts do you make using your metal stamping processes? Well, let's take a look at a bunch. We range from smaller parts to parts that are larger than a bread box. Is that even a term anymore? Well, certainly, we make some parts that are larger than that, yep. We make a number of parts that can fit right into your hand. Some are rather simple, some complex. What about how thin a material or how thick? We typically range from 0.010 of an inch thick to up to a ½ inch. That's quite a range. We can feed coils of steel that are up to 36 inches wide into our presses, and we have bed lengths up to 168 inches long. That's 14 feet in case you were doing the math in your head. While much of our progressive die metal stamping is done from coils of steel, aluminum, stainless steel, copper, galvanized steel, etc., we also run aluminum extrusions through our processes, sometimes adding linearly pierced holes, other times creating entire parts complete with threads added right in the process. Here's something we like to do even more. Take parts and turn them into assemblies. Stamping out parts is cool. Putting them together and turning them into something more complex for our customers, well, that's even cooler. Bottom line, we make parts that fit into your fingertips to parts that can effectively anchor a small boat. Our team wants to make your parts of any size, so get the team at Talan Products working on those parts of yours today.